1. Hook. Ever wonder why your C/CD pipeline feels like an anchor instead of a rocket? Let's uncover the hidden pitfalls that slow down your developers and explore how to fix them. 2. The real problem. C/CD pipelines are supposed to streamline development. 3. The simple explanation at its core. A C/CD pipeline automates the process of integrating code changes and deploying them to production. It should enable quick feedback loops. But if not set up correctly, it can turn into a slow, cumbersome process. Here are a few reasons why: inefficient testing. Long-running tests can stall progress. Resource overload. Too many concurrent builds can overwhelm your pipeline. Poor communication. Lack of visibility leads to confusion about the pipeline status. Suboptimal tooling. Choosing the wrong tools can add unnecessary complexity. Outdated practices. Sticking to old workflows can inhibit speed. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a startup named DevOps Now. They launched their C/CD pipeline with high hopes. Initially, it was fine, but as their team grew from 5 to 20 engineers, things changed. They added more tests but didn't optimize their pipeline. Within 3 months, their average build time skyrocketed from 5 minutes to 45 minutes. Testing phases caused delays, with automated tests running for up to 2 hours. Developers were frustrated. They couldn't push code frequently, leading to a backlog of features. As a result, they missed a critical product launch by 2 weeks, which cost them an estimated $50,000 in potential revenue. 5. What to do instead to avoid these pitfalls. Follow this step-by-step framework. 1. Analyze your current pipeline. Measure average build and test times. Aim for under 10 minutes for fast feedback. Identify bottlenecks. Are tests taking too long? Are builds failing often? 2. Optimize tests. Run unit tests locally before pushing to the pipeline. Focus on more unit tests and fewer integration tests. Implement parallel testing. Tools like Jest can run tests concurrently, reducing time. 3. Increase resource allocation. Assess your C/CD tool's capacity. Can it handle multiple builds? Scale up your infrastructure. If using cloud resources, ensure your plan supports your growth. For example, consider a plan with at least 4 CPU cores and 16 GB RAM for optimal performance. 4. Enhance communication. Implement a dashboard that shows real-time pipeline status. Tools like Jenkins or GitLab C can help. Hold daily stand-up meetings to discuss pipeline issues and updates. 5. Review tooling regularly. Audit your current tools every 6 months. Are they still the best fit? Explore new plugins or integrations that can simplify workflows. 6. Iterate on your process. Constantly gather feedback from developers. What's slowing them down? Make small, incremental changes instead of massive overhauls. By following these steps, you'll create a C/CD pipeline that fuels productivity instead of hindering it. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes that can slow down your C/CD pipeline, along with how to avoid them. 1. Ignoring build failures. Developers push code without addressing failed builds. Set up alerts for build failures. Make fixing them a top priority. 2. Not limiting test scope. Running all tests on every commit. Use feature flags to limit which tests run based on the code changes. 3. Overlooking documentation. Developers are unclear on how the pipeline works. Maintain clear, concise documentation. Update it regularly. 4. Neglecting performance metrics. Failing to track performance over time. Use monitoring tools to analyze build times and failure rates. Set benchmarks. 5. Sticking to legacy tools. Continuing to use outdated tools that don't fit current needs. Stay flexible. Regularly evaluate if your tools still meet your requirements. 7. Quick checklist. Measure your pipeline's current performance. Optimize your test suite, focusing on unit tests. Ensure your infrastructure scales with your team. Create a real-time dashboard for visibility. Regularly review and update your tools. 8. Summary plus CTA. A slow C/CD pipeline can be a productivity killer. By analyzing your setup, optimizing tests, improving communication, and reviewing your tools, you can turn that anchor into a rocket. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts and subscribe for more practical tech insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.